Good morning, everybody. So we are headed out for another day of adventuring. We are driving through Badlands National Park to get to Mount Rushmore today. We let Torelai choose if we were going to go into Wall today or if we were going to go to Mount Rushmore, and she wanted to go to Mount Rushmore. So we are on our way right now. We looked up GPS. The shortest, fastest route was actually to go back through the park. So we're getting to enjoy the park again while we head out to Mount Rushmore. We might hit up Deadwood if we have enough time. We'll see how the day goes. So let's go. All right, y'all, we are driving down Highway 44 on our way to Rushmore, and this road has some really big dips and bumps in it. I would probably recommend not taking your trailer down it. If you do, it's going to be a really, really slow drive. So there's some bumps right now. So make sure that you kind of plan around that or plan for that it clearly is a very bumpy road. What's up, everybody? We are at Mount Rushmore. So Michael and I have been here once before. We came right around New Year's one time and it was completely empty. We were like one of 4 or 5 people here. You can see during the summer it definitely attracts more of a crowd. This is the flag walkway. I'm sure it has an official name and that's probably not it, but that's okay. But we are here. A lot of people say that they feel like Mount Rushmore is disappointing because it's a lot smaller in person than they expected it to be. Both times I'll tell you, I don't find this disappointing. I think it is really, really cool. I think it is just as massive as I always thought it would be. You're probably not as close as you think you would be looking at it from a school textbook, but it's definitely, I don't think it disappoints. I think it's really cool. I think it's worth a stop. There's a lot of touristy stuff to do around here and in this area. So if you wanted to, this could definitely be a longer destination, depending on how much you want to spend. I mean, all that stuff's going to cost money. You pay $10 to park here. Even if you have a national parks pass, you still pay to park here. So that is one thing to note with Mount Rushmore, but it is absolutely beautiful. So gorgeous. This whole area is just really beautiful. There's also the Crazy Horse sculpture nearby. Deadwood, South Dakota is nearby, and Sturgis is nearby. So if either of those are your thing, you can definitely check those out. We might hit up Deadwood a little later. Michael and I went to Sturgis on that same trip I was talking about earlier, and we felt like it wasn't really worth it unless you're into being there for the rally or into drinking at the famous bars or whatever. But anyways, so here we are. We're on the Grandview Terrace. Let me turn around. And there you go. This is Mount Rushmore. glad we left.